Now we've got a quick video on how we upload graphics to our online design tool. Previously we've shown you how to do simple text designs, but you might want to add your own artwork. Maybe you found this on one of the AI websites, Midjourney, ChatGPT, and they've produced artwork for you. You can upload those designs and we can print them for you and send them on a t-shirt. So I'm going to walk you through how we upload a graphic design to a t-shirt. So as usual, we'll start on the Shirt Shack homepage. I'm going to come down and our best-selling products. We'll select the Gildan GD 64000. We're going to select Start Designing. We've got the option of add a design, add text, or add a team name. We're going to add the design. We have a choice here of add a digital DTG printing design. This could be direct to garment using our cornets or DTF. We can add a screen printing design. On this occasion, we're not screen printing. There are minimum orders involved. So just select Add Digital Printing. You will then get a prompt to upload your graphic. You see I've got a few already in the system. I'll select Upload an Image. I'm going to select this one. The end of the file is WEBP. And as you see, we get a message here that those types of files are not allowed on the upload. So your design wants to be either a CorelDRAW, PNG, PDF, EPS, PS, SVG, SVGS, JPEG, JPEG-IF. Pretty much everything apart from the WebP format. Select OK. So we'll try again. We'll upload the image. So here we have the same file, but it's a .png file. Also have one over here of dogs, and this one is 1000 pixels. The software will process the image and get it ready to upload. Once the image is uploaded, you'll be asked to confirm that you have the rights to use that image. So I'll click I hereby declare I own the rights to print this image and select OK. If we draw your attention to this section here, the image properties, at the moment it's telling us the quality is poor. This is because it was a 1000 pixel image at 72 dpi, which basically means it was just an image taken from the internet straight from an AI creation tool, and so will be low resolution. It might look fine on your screen, but it won't look great when we blow the image up to print it onto a t-shirt. For example, if I shrink this image down now, we see the quality bar changing. So that image will look best at around that size. Great if it's just a left breast logo you need or it's going on the sleeve, we can use it. But anything above that size, the quality won't be great. So how do we fix that? Well, there's a few free tools we can use. One is ClipDrop. It's a personal favourite of mine. Just go to clipdrop.co and you'll be taken to a free trial. In here we have tools. Select the drop down and I want to use Image Upscaler. I select here. I'm going to select the 1000 pixel image, which we know is too small. And I'm going to increase the scale by ×4 and upscale. Another tool you can use is a clone of Photoshop called Photopea. It's a good editing software, and it is basically a clone of Photoshop. We use Photoshop ourselves, but I thought I'd show you on the free version in case you don't have access to Photoshop. So I'm going to come to File, Open. I'm going to find that 1000 pixel image. So we're going to come to the top bar here, select Image, Image Size, make sure Resample is on, and we're going to select 300mm wide by a resolution of 250 dpi. 300mm, traditionally the width we would print a t-shirt design. The DPI, 250. You could go up to 300. Anything more than that is not really going to affect. So make sure Resample is on, otherwise change here will affect the size. And select OK. So we can see the image has now blown up. I'm going to select the magnifying glass. I'm going to hold down Command and Alt and click on the image to zoom out. I can now go to File, Export as PNG. Give your file a name. So we've just increased that. So we're going to say 250 pixels per inch, PNG, quality high, and save. put it somewhere where you can find it. And once you're done, you can close out a photopea. So back to our design tool, add design, add digital printing design, upload an image, and let's find that file we just saved, which has been resized. Again, we're asked here to agree that we have consent to use this image, which we do, and click OK. So there we can see we're still getting a quality issue, but if I shrink it down a little bit, we come into the green. So that image is now good to go. Now the reason we use a PNG file is if we choose to put it on a different color garment. For instance, I select a white t-shirt. The transparent background that's generated by a PNG file gives us a nice gradient blend. Let's see what happens if I upload the original file. If I want to delete the file that's already on there, I just select the image and select the red cross. It'll ask me to confirm that I want to delete. Let's see. So let's come to add design, add digital print design. I'm going to select the original graphic, which had a black background. So the size is good, but we have a big black square around the graphic, and that will be visible and will print. I have this option here for remove background. As you can see, it has removed the background, but because it's also removed all the black of the image, it's not looking so great on a red t-shirt. If you come back to product, we select a black t-shirt, the image looks fine. If we select a white t-shirt, the image doesn't look great again. We've lost the black elements, it's removed more than just the background. So in that case, I would come back to ClipDrop, Tools, but this time I'm going to select the Remove Background tool. I'm going to upload my graphic and remove the background. Now we can see once the background's been removed, we see this checkerboard pattern. We've still got the black elements of the image itself, and we've got a nice gradient around the edge. So this will be great on a t-shirt. When ready, select download, download your file, and see what that one looks at. So once again, to remove the original design, select the black cross, get rid of the design, add a digital print design, and that's fine, that PNG file we just created with the transparent background. And there we go. That looks great on a white t-shirt now. Will look good on all colours, including black. Now there's another way to do that, again using photopea. If I come to photopea, open from computer, we'll kill two birds with one stone here. Remember that WebP design we couldn't upload? Let's open that. The tool I'm looking for is the Magic Wand tool. When I select on that and I select the black, you can see it's selecting. The little marching ants are telling me what will get deleted. I'm going to hit delete, and there we can see it's removed the black, but it's removed too much. It's removed it from the ears as well. I'm going to hit Control-Z. Let's come back out of that. And that's normally a setting for tolerance. If I decrease that number to 5, it's less tolerant. Now when I click on the design, you'll see we've not selected elements inside the ears. Hit delete. Control-D to deselect. And again, we have a transparent background, but if we compare that to the ClipDrop file, the ClipDrop file was actually better quality. We had a nice blend on the gradient. Hit Control-Z a couple of times and come back. And we need to look at this contiguous button as well. While it's checked, it will only select the black as one. If I uncheck it, it will select all the black elements. So there we can see we are selecting other elements. And if we hit delete, we delete the black and we're back where we were. So Control-Z a couple more times. We'll turn contiguous on. Reselect a black area, delete, and we're good to go. So what about the file format? Well, when we come to File, Export, PNG, it will allow us to save this as a PNG file. We can also take this opportunity to change the resolution of the image here. Let's select 3000, wait for it to refresh, and save. So let's see how that one comes in. So we'll select the red cross to remove that graphic, add design, add digital print design, upload my image, and we'll select the dogs, declare you have the rights to use the image, select OK, and we can see we now have the original WebP image is now a PNG with a transparent background. When you're happy, make sure your quantity is okay, you're happy with the price, and then we select Buy and check out. So there we have it. I've covered in that the basics of how we upload graphics to Deco Network. We covered a little bit about the graphic quality. Remember, you want to resize your images to at least the 250 pixels per inch, and you want to think about how big you want that graphic on a t-shirt. Like I said, we can print up to 400 wide, but traditionally 300 to 350 is more than enough. We covered a couple of tools, ClipDrop and photopea. Photopea, the great alternative if you don't have Photoshop, and ClipDrop, just a great all-round AI tool that can do a lot more than what I've showed you, and is well worth playing with.